Okay, this will be my 9th attempt at video editing, so here we go in 3, 2, 1, and let's go.
Who did this?
How dare they?
Wait a sec. We gotta check to see if we got the Jigglypuff on tape.
Oh, good idea.
Okay.
It's all about snoring.
What are we supposed to do with that?
I warned you.
Yep. I warned you, Plankton. Anyway, that was my 9th attempt at video editing. So if you like this video, then give it a like. Click on the like under the video below for a thumbs up. Give this video a share, subscribe. Click on the bell for updates or suggestions of what you want me to do next. And don't forget to follow me on Tumblr, X, DeviantArt, Discord / TikTok. And I'll see you all later. Bye.